Okay, so we're gonna get right into the video. So here I'm just gonna list all the materials you're gonna need. Okay, you are also going to need to use iTunes. So you're going to open iTunes, and you should already have a song, or you can download any type of MP3, MP4 file and add it to your iTunes. And I'm going to show you how you change the album's name and artwork. Okay, so to change the artwork, you are going to click artwork, then you're going to click add artwork, and it's going to take you to your files. So before I did this, I airdropped the pictures to my computer. Okay, so once you change the album artwork and the name, you are going to have this setup show up on your phone. As you can see, I'm going to show you at the top accounts. Your account, you should sign into your iTunes account, and that way everything that you have on your iTunes account will automatically update on your iPhone. Okay, so here I have music open, and I'm just going to find the album saved. Okay, so I'm just going to screenshot it. You can put it to whatever time to represent a certain date. The duration of the music, well, the song that I previously had chosen wasn't long enough, so I would just decide I was going to make the date freestyle instead of trying to use the picture template. And you're going to see what I'm talking about in the next few minutes. So I'm going to screenshot it, and I just printed it from my phone because I have AirPrint. If you don't have AirPrint, you can just screenshot it and email to yourself and then print it. Here are all the printed pictures, and you're just going to use these pictures as an outline for your album covers. So yes, I freestyled, but I eventually used a frame as a straight edge to make sure that the line was more straight. And I'm just going to repeat this process. I did use a black Sharpie so that you guys can see the difference between the silver and black. It just depends on what look you're going for. I just decided to do silver. Okay, so I did not list Mod Podge as a material only because I decided not to use it. I will show you what I did instead. But I did use a Mod Podge for the first one, but I just was not liking how it came out. Instead of applying the picture to the glass, I placed the pictures on the wall first and positioned the glass on top of the picture. You guys again for tuning in to the best channel on YouTube.